I am Avinash. I'm a robotics engineer based out of Hyderabad. I'm glad to be a part of the whole journey of Infinity 360. This invention has taken about 66 days from me and my team. Last couple of months, we've been working continuously to manufacture this product and deliver it to the market in and out of India. This is our attempt to fight or join the fight against the coronavirus. A couple of months ago, when the whole country went into a lockdown, I was um, I was moved by the way below poverty line people, daily labor, and all these people were walking miles and miles to go back home with the fear of the virus, and I felt there is no solution right away at hand, and then probably waiting for a vaccine is not the most ideal thing because we have known enough viral and bacterial infections that humans are prone to so far, and we have no vaccine, like for example AIDS. We don't have any solution for that yet. So waiting for a vaccine for this virus was not really um, a practical thought for me. So I thought if we can build something as a stopgap solution which can be used to bring back life to normalcy as soon as possible so that the economy of the country does not crash, and then after that eventually there will be another solution, another medication or a treatment method where things can eventually go back to being normal like before. So that was one reason why I worked a lot on into building a product that could utilize germicidal UVC radiation to kill virus samples. So, luckily, my background is in robotics and artificial intelligence, but luckily, I had the opportunity to work with a lot of UVC lights in the last year because I was working for an automation company that was installing industrial automation equipment in clean rooms in pharmaceutical areas. So, based on that knowledge of UVC and then also my background in Internet of Things and M2M communication, I could quickly design this and build this, prototype this, sample it, test it, and certify it very quickly. So right now we filed about 4 patents on these products, including designs and method patents. Uh, we also have about 10 certifications on the products. We've done lab tests. We are certified by a lot of DRDO certified labs and ABL and other organizations. And everything that you see here in these products are made in Hyderabad. It's a full body made of metal, and then we manufacture it in our own manufacturing facility in Patancheru, and we import the UVC lights from Europe, and all the electronics assembly and manufacturing also happens locally, and this work is a result of 11 engineers putting in about 16 to 18 hours a day every day for 66 days. I'm very happy that I'm associated with very kind-hearted investors like Venkat Reddy Garu from SVR Group, who immediately agreed to invest into this idea of mine as soon as I pitched it to him. And as soon as he agreed, we started a company and we built the product. And then recently on 21st, we launched the product in Trident Hotel in the presence of Sri Jayesh Ranjan, IAS, and he was very excited to know that this is an entirely. So this was launched by Sri Jayesh Ranjan Garu, IAS, who is Principal Secretary to Information Technology of the Government of Telangana, and he was very excited to know that this is an entirely product built in Telangana by people from Telangana, and investment is also locally sourced. Materials are locally sourced, and everything is everyone involved is from here, and he also was encouraged us to set up a manufacturing unit that can produce more numbers of these products that can be exported as soon as possible, so that the world will know the capacity of engineering from Telangana. So this is the Infinity 360 Go system, which is a 88 watt UVC germicidal irradiation device. Generally, we observe a lot of people who are being asymptomatic are also causing the virus to spread, and this can lead to community spread very soon. So one of the ideas is, whenever a meeting happens, whenever someone meets another person in an enclosed room, assuming that one of them could be a symptomatic carrier of the coronavirus, and could have left behind samples of the coronavirus in the air or on the surface. As soon as the people leave, a device like this can be set up on the table or inside the room, and then turned on for about 2 minutes to make sure that the room is irradiated with ultraviolet C radiation, and then any sample of coronavirus on the surfaces or in the air has been terminated. This is a smart device, and it can be operated from a cell phone only. There is no other way to operate this device. The reason why we chose to build it that way is because UVC radiation is not actually safe for human beings. So we didn't want any accidental exposure to humans. So that is one reason why we have motion sensors on all the direction, all the sides, so that if someone enters the room accidentally when there is a irradiation cycle in progress, it shuts off immediately. And there is also no way to turn this device on manually from the device. The only way to do it is by hitting a password through the mobile application and setting the time of cycle. Infinity 360 Go system is priced around 50,000 Indian rupees, and Infinity 360 Plus is priced around 1.8 lakhs Indian rupees. And we will be adding additional taxes and charges for shipping it abroad.